The sky darkened as heavy clouds gathered, their burden of tears threatening to overflow. With a solemn sigh, the crying clouds released their pent-up emotions, showering the earth below with a gentle downpour. Each raindrop carried the weight of unspoken sorrows, a poignant melody that tapped against rooftops and danced upon leaves. As the tears fell, the world listened, for within the tears of the crying clouds, there lay a cathartic release, a healing balm for both land and soul. And as the clouds wept, their tears mingled with the earth, bringing forth renewed life and a glimmer of hope amidst the storm.